video is about growing bell peppers. Okay, now, these are my oldest ones. I started these indoors in January. Now, as you can see, just maybe in this past week, since it's been really hot outside, you can see these little flowers. Let's see if I can, yep, you see those little buds there? They're gonna start growing some little flowers soon. And you can see right here, little new growth. And there's buds on another one of these, another one of these plants. Let's see, where's the other one that had buds on it? This one had buds. And I don't see where the other one had it. I thought I saw some more. But these guys have been kind of up and down. You see the bottom kind of yellow because they were trying to get eaten by these little bugs. I'm not sure what kind, but I sprayed vinegar on the plant and it got better. And then I sprayed some more vinegar and I think I sprayed too much and they got burned. So some of these guys fell off, but they came back to life and they continued to grow up. And the top leaves, they look pretty healthy now. I haven't had any more problems with these bugs, but if I have to spray again, I will. This guy, he's pretty new and he's doing pretty well, as you can see. He's really bright green. This guy down here, and he's growing pretty fast. These guys are actually older than that guy over there, and they started to get eaten up by bugs too. I sprayed them with vinegar. They're kind of coming back, just very slowly. They're not really growing super fast, but these guys over here are growing really fast, and they got planted a lot later. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I'm hoping that these guys start to grow a little bit more now because it's been really hot outside. And I've been giving them extra water. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm excited to see these open up and maybe grow some peppers on them. Usually they'll flower first and then some peppers will grow.